Mask surged 110% pre-market on an AI semiconductor hire. Stock was already extended and we shouldn't have turned on long mode, but Raider trading software was forgiving and helped navigate a long profit on the backside of the move. After small starter positions, price breaks out of the 1-minute bull flag. The algo sizes up to 5,700 shares and targets max profit through 318. Heavy sell pressure above $3 forces price back under our cost basis. The algo sees it coming and de-risks immediately for a small profit. Price chops in a tight range before retracing back to 270. The algo strategically doubles down at this level to lower our cost basis. The algo is ready to stop out for a full loss under 250 or de-risk slightly above cost basis in preparation for whichever direction price decides to move next. The 250 stop loss level was perfectly calculated. Price had enough room to chop without triggering a full exit. As price drifts back above 270, the de-risk mechanism fires and we lock in another small win. Our position is light, so we can now afford another strategic double down. It triggers at 240, bringing our cost basis down substantially. Price bounces above that level and the algo de-risks again for another small win. The software adds back above 250 and the algo now has us positioned perfectly to take full profit at 264. The target triggers and the position closes with over 2,200 in profit over 45 minutes of fully automated trading. We turned on long mode too late, but the algo successfully navigated the backside of the move, resulting in another green day. Visit RaiderTrading.com to learn more and sign up for our $1 trial. Subscribe for daily trade recaps, and I'll see you on the next one.